One Nation family, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Check on yourself. Check on yourself. I feel like me have a fever, people. We just drink ice water going so. I feel like me have a fever. Hold on, I cool down my temperature. I don't have no thermometer, so I just use me, the whole time days testing. I can't tell you how high the fever is, but I know I have a fever. And when me a baby, and my mother used to carry me to children's hospital, and yeah, them have a saying, we always say roast with fever. Jamaican have a style, we say roast with fever. I remember the whole time they saying, and when you go off, our children, the first thing them do, them put the thermometer underneath your arm, yeah, and then give you a little cetamol, liquid cetamol, and then them tell you, say, mommy, go around there, you see where you see some things and wet up the baby till the fever come down. Right now, I'm not a baby no more, so I can't wet up. I have to just use ice water. People, something right here. Ninja man vibe. Something right here. I mean, they've not going to do no whole part chatting in this video here. But something right here. Man come out one day and him talk in mind. And this is baby germs now. AKA Dewisha. Him come out and him talk in mind one day. In the video when you see me post, and I say, no sir, I not buy this. I not really buy it. The man come out again. Yes man, the man come out again, man. I still I wonder. Because no cure regular you come out with them as type of video, you know. I still not believe you in a flash, you know. And I don't think I will ever believe you. And the reason why I would never believe you is all because of the amount of chance you have get. One man can't get so much chance and do the same thing over and over. And when them finally get dumped, me I go take my tractor and take him out of a mess. My tractor front now lift up the bucket now move. What me say? The bucket of my tractor now move the cover in front of you. You're going to stay cover. So try as you may, you're going to stay cover. Yes, people can change. But not somebody like you will get so much chance and time to change. And you not change. This boy come out, well, I don't know what kind of hog incident or pig incident, but him come out, people. There is some Dana who run up in him comment and say something. And him try to deal with that, but him deal with that on a nice level. Not the level what we used to. Where we would have while her up and talk all kind of things and black. And you know a film style. So when you hear me talk about a Dana, it's the Dana we run up in him comment. But the video also based upon the Dana where we know. The 99 Dana. The Auntie Dana. The Dr. Dana Marie Go. Yes, man. The Mountain View Dana. The Baka Dana. Yes, man. Man say him obsessed and them feel leave him alone. Him obsessed with Dana and he love Dana. And he call a couple more name of people who him love, sir. The man say you can't stop him from obsessed with Dana. And you can't stop him from love Dana. Him love Dana. Him love Dana. Him love. People me feel like me have fever. Me tell you, you know. Anybody there near me? In the Kingston region, we have little cetamol or little liquid Panadol. We can't afford to buy none. Anyway, no only for chatting in this video. You know what they do? Just do the do, make me not have to do no chatting. Make me see right now the whole of the likes are run up. Likes just are run up so. I may do less chatting in the video. All what about less chatting? I tell you every day I have to protect the channel. It's YouTube guideline and policy. Yes, someone might come after me talk, but if you now watch a previous video, be careful not just join the channel, you know. Basically, you not go stroll, or you not go see certain videos, or you not see the title, or you not go want to listen it. And some of those videos, I have come out here countless amount of times, and I told you that I have to speak in the video when I'm dissecting the video. It's policy, YouTube guideline. So when you don't hear me speaking on the video, nobody feel like me just want speaking on it. But at the same time, this is also my style, dissect a video. I couldn't hear what you hear and then me dissect it. Well, the part that most of them might have a problem is when sometimes the video still a play and me a talk. But the thing is, something might said, instead of me to stop a video, for just a 5 seconds, to say what me I said towards where the person say, me just talk in between, but to my voice strong. So I don't know if you miss out a little part them, man. I don't go on so, you not go catch everything. You not go and catch everything. And at the same time as me say, me have to protect my channel. A YouTube guideline and policy, alright? So for who never hear me say this over and over, will just come and me see in the comment and complain, that's the reason. And sometimes instead of me I stop the video, because sometimes you know, a person will talk on a video where me I dissect. I stop the video to talk about something this or them say, and by the time I release back the video for them talk, them say something else. So what me want to say is, I just like a second, move! You're too loud, you don't say that, wait. It don't make sense me stop the video again. Somebody just try to talk while them a talk. The more important part that come when me want to know if you hear me. You understand? Me not gonna talk this so, because me want to know hear this so. So when you don't hear me cutting on the video because me don't want to stop it again. You just understand no man, me not make nothing want to hear me pass or no. Until you hear me a talk over, how we can talk over, that can always talk when they talk. Because sometimes I repeat what them already say already. You understand what I say to you? So I just understand, man. It's your boy Speak My Mind, you know. I do. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend and hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Double press video, thumbs up, and remember, watch the ads. Most importantly, that give the channel a revenue. And remember Tamika Douglas, Life with Gabby and Chevy, the 2 YouTube channels in the comment section. Just go ahead and give them a subscription, please and thanks. Alright? So as I say people, I don't know what go on with me some man, so I just do the do and listen up. Alright? Breeze a blow, may the outside see there. May the right in between the luscious area look. See it? Luscious area, jolly tree over there, so sweet sap tree. Fire, so me have the big East Indian tree, so it is very windy. Listen up.
Love don't turn to you overnight, just so. You know, move. Leave me alone. It was all content for me. It was all content. Go and look up the meaning of what's all content. What does content mean to you? Go look what it means to you. What it means to me, it was just that. It was not what I'm saying, it was just that. I don't care. Move. And leave me alone. And if you want to come out and content to hate to me, that's on you. I care zero. I don't care. I don't know you. Just know when you is over there being miserable, I'm over here being damn happy. And I'm kissing up my man. Yeah. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. One more to the business. Someone want to tap for the nastiness. I don't look good. I know content don't look good. And it don't sound good neither. The fact that we are all from one little piece of rock in the Caribbean, one little piece of rock. And imagine every
so what I say now? What I say now? Him say content and content, yes. But for somebody, you know, who said them used to be a part of over there, so for you to come out on this woman day in, day out, join up with people, even the same set of people them, where when you would say you're over yourself, where it's against the woman up to today, you join up with those set of people to bring down the woman, talk all kind of manner of evil things, style the woman, and you call that content. And you want people over here to overlook that. You want that lady to forgive you for the 20th, 30th times. Why me not see where that possibly, you know? Or one thing me sure know. With all the soft heart she have to love you from a distance. Yeah man, with all the soft heart she have, you have used all your chances where you have with that woman. The cure she love you, she going to love you from a distance. Me I tell you, it will never work again, man. You could have tried as your man.
There's no deal for no quote on the side of the
4 points.
Neanderthal people. You must be damn Neanderthals. And I'm telling you, one cannot tell me, one can't tell me to not be obsessed with Dana. One can't tell me that. Me be obsessed with who me want obsessed with. I just so I'm gonna kill one big Snyder who want please their own business. I'm pleasing me and my page. And if you feel like say, when I come with them, I'll just block you. Dwayne, please can you kindly respond to what did you say? What you say? What did you say? I don't know what you said. I don't see nothing that you said.
Real or fake? Real or fake?
On my monitor. DM me, I will tell you how to do that. DM me. You see one thing me? I am not a selfish person. I'm not selfish. I try my best to help anyone I can. If I have the resource, I will help them. And if I know how to go back to this, I'm gonna help them too. Me want to come. You don't feel like that's one day? As somebody fan out there. But them under the cover as clear on Pleaing. But I'm more, leave me alone. More, you can't do nothing. If one post that at 25,000 times, I'll post him 25,000 times though. If one post that at 25,000 times, I'll post him 25,000 times. Shit 45,000, shit 100,000. And they can't tell me nothing at all. Now they can't tell me nothing. Now they cannot tell me nothing at all.
Not at all. I'm obsessed with Dana. Love Dana. Love Dana.
Not mine. That's your body, not mine. You understand? I don't care about you. I don't business. Go on about the business. Yolanda, you see you, Yolanda? As bad as you love go out and stuff like that, I feel like you actually mean me well. You, Yolanda. I mean, I feel like you mean me well. Based on my analysis, you is a real one. Yolanda, far where I come from, I'm sure say you and Miss Cow come from a poor 2009 to 2020. I met you in Port Shop, right? On a move. I can't meet that. Bear in mind, I'm not what go on, I'm not staying. Because should I have a feeling of them too. I'm going to tell him to what I did do that. Yes, I.
If you, I said people can't make you hate Dana. I must see person when name Dana running in your comment section. I must see person when name Dana running in your comment section you talk. I can't 99 you talk. Trust me. Because if you are going to say them can't make you hate 99. But you don't like to see when you hate somebody. Me know people we obsessed with people, yes. But when them obsessed and the person that avoid them try to do every little things away from trying to bring down that person. Them find themselves all of the people them gate. Just see the people them see them and say something to them. They will do everything for the person to see them or talk to them. But not in the manner of how you do it. Not in the manner how you do it. You can't obsess and love somebody and join up with people who want to bring her down and not help bring her down. And you say you love and obsess. No, sir. When you love and obsess with people, that's not the way to go. You confuse yourself. Yes, man, you confuse yourself with obsession and love. May I tell you that you confuse yourself with obsession and love. Because if you are saying you hate the woman and you behave against her,
did do that. I did. Me a what? Me a wood. Me not feeling stuff. Okay. So me a feel that cortical time will come at 2 and 2. But it's not the me not get the baby that cortical come do it. No move for yourself. And this stuff I don't want. And that's enough I don't drown this stuff.
But you already give them what they want.
But I can't use me. Use yourself. Go and build the page for yourself. I'm gonna do
Me stop it, cause I say me a talk in between them a talk. But you already give them what they want. But what? You see, say not working for you. You understand? You see, say instead of you go up the hill, you stay right on top of the hill where you did there, and down the hill you go. Remember now, you did up here, so, and all the way you do, you realize so you're not climbing further, and you're not stay upon the level where you did there. You go below the level now. So you know, say you fall below the radar. So this is just another way of trying to, show like, okay, I didn't mean all that I've said. Oh, you come sound like the politician them. You already put things out there in the atmosphere where people are going to run with and believe and talk about and discriminate people and bring down people. And then you come on to apologize. No, you already said it already. Before you say it, you know what you did I go say. Before you say it, you know what you did I go say. And you know what are going to happen. You know what the effect is going to be. You understand? So why come out and apologize after you said something where you already know and plan, make up your mind. Clear intention, that's what you want to say, that's what you want to do, that's what you want to bring across. And then when you say it now, 24 hours after, oh, I apologize, I don't know what fly up into my head, I just this, I just that, I was just in my feelings, I just was, yeah. No, the damage already done. You should have calmed yourself and think about what you were going to say before you say it. You can't create the damage and in 24 hours you want to apologize. When the damage already created. What if it's somebody who weak in their knees? What if it's somebody who don't have that strength to stand up after you come out and do the damage? And it destroy them life. Destroy them business. You coming out and apologize in 24 hours can't help the situation? No. So if you think about what I said before, man.
You understand? I'm gonna tell you one more time, don't touch or Dana what you want him, and you will comment if I would be obsessed with Dana. That's my portion to carry. Not your stop being so bitter. Shit, Dana, I'm obsessed with you. Shit, Dana. As long as you are associated with a presence, girl, I'm always going to be obsessed with you, understand? You want to hear that? As long as Donna I'm associated with a presence, I'm always going to obsessed with her. When I'm off, leave me alone. Because I don't want to tell me nothing. I don't care tell me nothing at all. I want to cannot make me come out here and be nasty again either. And this is what I want. This is what a lot of you want. Understand? You can't tell me nothing. Go and find peace. Dana, and you know the coming look well, go find peace in yourself. And that's enough, and stop coming out here and being a nasty human being. Start this now. Leave me alone, girl. Let me be obsessed with who I want to be obsessed with, and let me praise also who I want to praise too. It's my page. I'm gonna praise who me want to praise. And none of you can't move for like I want to.
No. No, the plan condition can't tell me to stop like that. I must upset my lover.
Shit, my love, Dana tongue. My love, on a mob.
You see some other woman out there? I wonder if you realize a man saying love, the word love, L-O-V-E, to you on a daily basis. Morning, noon, and night. You there work, him call you. I love you, baby. You okay? Evening time when him know you come home. You alright, baby? You get home yet? No? Okay, I'll soon be there. I love you. When you say love is something easy if you say. Words is the easiest thing. That's right. Them say words are a win. You understand? Because a man just say love out time out and just blow away. the devil land upon you, the devil pitch upon you. But some woman on a fool. Because if you meet a man out there, him genuinely love on you, because his action shows him love on you. Things that he have done show that him love on you. But the action no count for you. You don't want to get up and hear him call you a morning time. You reach work yet? Or when him reach work, him call you if he is a home girl. You okay? Okay, I love you, baby. Mwah. And him hang up. 12 o'clock when at lunchtime. You have lunch already, baby? I'm just gonna get some lunch now. Yeah. Okay. See you later. I love you. Mwah. And for the whole day, 4 times for the whole day, I call and say I love you till him reach home. And them man don't say love you. The man will just get up and call you. You eat already. If the man now say you eat already, you alright, that's mean him not love you. It's not every man is like that. And every man show them love different. But the main way for you to believe say a man love you is for him to get up every day and tell you, say, I love you, baby, I love you. Someone on the you never tell me say you love me yet. Me now have to tell you say I love you. Me sure say I love you. You understand? Action is stronger than win. When me tell you say I go buy your house tomorrow morning, and all 3 years after tomorrow morning, me not buy you the house. But me tell you say I go buy your house tomorrow morning, and me get up and go buy the house. A action that you know. That a action. Me hack towards what me say. Me not just say it. So it come right back round. I love you, baby. Yeah, me just tell you that because I know that you don't accept. Words. When it come on to love, you don't accept words. You don't want man telling you in the public, I love you, baby. Mwah. And chops you know. You don't want the man, the action with the man show is not enough. You don't want to hear by words. Come on. You know, wise up. Listen to them here. When them say they love somebody where them do so much harm to. If this woman never strong, even one of them would have break her a long time. And I come talk about love. Which part you love?
Love Krista. I've always liked him. I always liked that I'm out of a spot. I don't know how much I got myself.
You love Krista.
I like most of the people them except some. Right? All but 2 of the people who doing page. Or 3. I like everybody else, but them shouldn't move and leave me alone. When it comes to me for like more like, I'm a love more love. I'm my heart, and my body, and my core, and my soul. Leave me alone and go on. Doing a lot of us mean you well, but you don't seem to believe. No, you're missing the point. You're missing the point. Hello? Hello? Yes, you turn off the light. I despise one, this person. No, move. You talk to me, the you talk to me.
Some of you hosts is that you allow your followers to turn you into haters.
There was a hater.
The hateful things that they write in the comments are because of the things that they want. But sometimes when you are trying to go down a certain path, they are then leading you back. I see that even on Marcia's live this morning, I saw it. You could see she don't really want to have this discussion about Donna and whatever, but there was someone in her comments keep bringing up and carrying news and Donna this and Donna this and that. I see it also on Max.
So them a follower. Them a yes person. And them a big woman. And them clear intention to do what they want to do.
But I think if everybody start take a stand and saying, don't come and write these nasty negative things in on my life. If yesterday I may be talking about the person and criticizing or whatever, but just do it in a respectful way, and stop the carrying news. Because all of Masters like this morning, there's this one commenter, she keeps carrying news and every news was wrong, kept pure lies. And it's It's like they want to boost up the host to start cursing the person.
At that them want.
Man's support of them is just like she, you know.
Get some thrill out
Nah,
of it.
live no life. No life.
They really need to stop.
Kill this set of people then. Because if you cannot follow a woman to kill this for 40 years, you're not cheer her around. You know kill this stuff.
They'll just read the comment and laugh, or they'll read the comment and agree with it.
Is it that them kill this or them not mean or not
I
good?
think everybody needs to just get to a stage where they can be respectful.
I am there.
Alright, mom, bless up. Can't take no more of you now. You're not saying anything bad, but I can't make you take up your whole life.
So let me show all of you how it's meant to be done and done properly too. Let me be the martyr for everybody to follow my coming on the move. Leave me alone. That's my top compare. Most things I see them, but I choose to not listen to it because I'm not listening to it. I'm gonna come out here and talk. I don't want to hear no one. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Yeah, and another the terms is things they are coming to you with things that don't even go so. Somebody
They
may say
can't come
something
to me.
on their life and they come back and say, oh, you them didn't talk about or you. Then nobody don't call no name, no nothing. But because they want to stir up war, it's like they get, I don't know, it's like they get a thrill out of
Oh, that's them. That's them. Versace. Hold on. Was it Versace?
Stop it, man. Stop going from people life to life and carrying news, up things in there, writing up things as if they want to trigger something. So everybody, they need to stop it. I'm glad you're telling them to just stop it. Be respectful.
Lady, now make him trick you. Lady, now make this trick you. He coming like you knew. How much time you see him do this? Now make him trick you.
Yeah. Thank you. Listen, I told all of you this. Listen, this is why I choose to stay away from something, because if I hear it, know me, I'm gonna come out here and want to insert myself in it. Don't get wrong, some things it's okay to come out here and speak about it, but not everything. Like all the nastiness when people used to come out here and class. I don't want to be a part of it. Leave me alone. I told you when I leave this world, I want to be remembered for doing the right thing. Gonna leave me alone. I only can't tell to not be obsessed with me. Donna, I'm obsessed with Donna. I've always been obsessed with you. I don't know why. I don't know why. Just you want to hear, let me tell you. I've always liked Donna. Always. She hurt my feelings. So I hurt my girl feelings. I know I'm over it. I know I'm accepting my little self. Leave me alone, no one. Leave me alone. I want to come act in a nasty. That person talking about obsession. I'm gonna block you with this. So this life zone, I'm gonna fight. I'm gonna block you.
Before them seek God, them seek the devil. That's why them life so miserable.
And darling, you cannot tell me nothing.
Before them seek God, them seek the devil. That's why them life so miserable.
Everything. And I'm in love. As much as I say, me lean up among other things, and nobody not gonna want me. Okay. I always knew I was a catch. I always knew. Yes, we put on a little weight now, but trust me, with all.
I watch so everybody I put on weight in social media. I mean, I put on none.
That's not the most part. I knew all along I was worthy.
Everybody saying them putting on weight and they need to take it off. Some start take it off in a 3 minutes.
When I move, I find love. I leave me alone. I only cannot tell me who to post. If one post, then at 25 told can never post her. If you want to be hateful, that is you, but it's carried, not mine. Not mine. I knew a lot of you, some of you was gonna come and try and drag me because I posted it. Because a lot of you on my page on the feel like someone can use me, go and build your own page using yourself. Anyways, I won't take a lot of your time. Most of them like my life, most of them share my life. Look what's on over here. I was not expecting this about people, but that, you know what, I done a name. And I know for a fact my page was given birth to through a lot of calculation. I know that for a fact. That's why there's so much of you over here, right? Remember where we're coming from, and don't forget. This is what they want. They want to turn people against people. And I know where I started. And shit, I wouldn't say my loyalty should stay there, but I know I owe over there, sir, among other places, some respect. And yes, I am there now. And yes, I've accepted my flaws. I've accepted my wrongs. It's up to you for the content. I kind of don't care. Just know that me,
I don't know what to say.
That's just it. Anyways, I have to go now. God bless you. Thank you to everyone.
I don't know what to say. I can't tell you what to do.
So, with that being said, thank you to all of you who is here with me. I appreciate it.
People, me can't tell you everything, you know. Me can't tell you if you do. But any sensible people will know what. Anyways, people, mind family, as me say, each man to his own. We are all big people out here. I don't think no kids are over here. You might have young folks over here, probably like, you know, early 20s and stuff. But no kids are over here. So every man to his own, each man to his own, alright? Every man have them own. Every man have a right to decide his own destiny. But that not say people fi go around and carry down other people's destiny. Because every man got a right to decide his own destiny. You don't know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up on the video and please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. I need like, what, 50 little bit to reach that 3,000. And I am asking you for that 50 ad subscribers and the backup channel before the month is out. I am asking for that 3,000 subscribers. So, what just do the do? Alright? And remember to watch the ads. Remember Tamika Douglas, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section pin. Go ahead and give them a subscription. It now costs $1 to subscribe, comment, like, and share the video or share the link. You understand? It now costs you no $1. So please go ahead and do so. And people, me just do this video because the recent video I do with him, me just try to wonder what kind of change, because listening to him, he would have convinced somebody same change because he have that different type of voice. Kind of toned down. Response to comment section kind of seems a little different. In features kind of look different, as me say, you know, like when people go in a church and the Holy Ghost fill them. Yes, man. Them sound different and look different than when them out in the world. Plus, you know, him a Pleaing case. So, because of that, me carry the one you come now, where I tell you no say, him obsessed and him love, because me can't see where you obsess and love. Yes, obsession is something will lead you to do certain things. But you can't, the person you're obsessed with, you can't want to tear them down. You're going to do things to annoy them, but not to tear them down, because you're obsessed with them, but them avoid you for one reason or the other. And you always make yourself present in front of them, so you might annoy them and stuff like that. But you don't tear them down. You understand? So me can't see where film obsession and love lies. And as me I said to one woman, I love your time man telling us them love by words. Action in love you look for, not words. Because see that are the easiest thing to say. Love. I love you, baby. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I want to hear that for the whole day. I want to say the man love you. But if the man go out there and do something pertaining to the future of you and him or the family, if there's a family, want to start to have kids together, it's like, you know, count that as love. Because he's not telling you on a daily basis or hourly basis or session like lunchtime, breakfast and dinner time that I love you, baby. You don't have it same love, you know. Me, I want the man that walk and tell woman about me love. I'm not to share my love with woman. You have to find my love. Me not share it. You have to find it, say me love you. Because if I love you, you have to see it, you know. But me not going to expose it. And you have to know. And me not the one who will come tell you about me love you. My action will speak. And if you can't say in my action, say me love you, so be the case. But me not believe in the love every day. Good morning, you eat already, baby? Lunchtime, you have lunch already, baby? No. So woman stay, if you not do them something there, you not love them. Foolish woman think that way. Me no say it can't happen, but don't think that through the man do that him love you. Many of the man them out here, them know what you no want. You understand? So them give you know what you no want. You ever hear them say, people tell you what you want here? Yes. If me know so that you want here to feel good, me gonna tell you what you want here to feel good. To make you feel good. Some people tell you what you want to hear. Just like when me I go to the foreigner, them say, oh, when them call man, me just tell them say, yeah man, you know, say Susan I come down next month, me I send 2 shoes and a pants. Yeah, because them know so we as local, not me really, you know, because me not talk to foreigner on phone, family or friend. Once you're gone, I eat that till you come back. You understand? Yes man. So them know say that you don't want to hear, them are gonna send something for you. Or them are gonna send a $50 or $100 phone. So them tell you none of that. But most of them wait all now it can't come. Speak my mind people, tell them what them want to hear. Big up on yourself and do the do. I'm out.